to another episode of the Max AC channel. For this month, since we are once again in the Lenten season this year, we will be doing our 4th round of Meatless March, where we will be making 5 more recipes that are as delicious as they are meatless. For this episode, we will be making some spinach frittata. For this recipe, you will need 10 eggs, a half cup of heavy cream or milk, a half cup of shredded cheese, like cheddar or mozzarella, some salt and pepper, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 to 2 shallots or onions, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, 8 ounces of mushrooms, 8 ounces or more of spinach, 3 to 4 sun-dried or 1 to 2 regular tomatoes, and a half cup of ricotta cheese. You will also need an oven-safe pan like a cast iron skillet to bake your frittata. This should be good enough for about 4 to 8 servings, so just as needed. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, while we wait, in a large bowl, add in the eggs, heavy cream, shredded cheese, salt, and pepper, and then whisk these together. Then for the shallots and garlic, mince these up into small pieces. Next, for the mushrooms, slice these into thin pieces, and if you wish, cut up your sun-dried tomatoes into thin slices as well. Once all of your ingredients are ready, in your cast iron skillet, heat the oil over medium heat, then add in the shallots and garlic and cook this for a few minutes until the shallots soften and they become fragrant. Next, add in the mushrooms and cook this for another few minutes until they brown. Then, add in the spinach and cook this for a minute or so until they wilt. If you need to, you can add the spinach a little bit at a time if your pan isn't big enough, as the spinach will shrink as you cook it. Then, add in the sun-dried tomatoes and season this with some salt and pepper. Next, pour in the egg mixture into the skillet, and then place small bits of ricotta cheese over the surface of the eggs. Then, the oven should be done preheating by now, so carefully transfer the skillet to the oven and bake this until the eggs are fully set, about 12 to 15 minutes. Then, carefully remove the skillet from the oven, let this cool slightly before cutting it into wedges, and with that, your spinach frittata is ready to eat. For this week's recipe, I wanted to share a quick and easy way to cook up a meatless meal that'll feed a whole bunch of people for very little. Eggs are a great source of protein and healthy fats, and helps to keep you full for longer, making it a great food to eat for breakfast when you're fasting for the rest of the day, or as a great meal to enjoy for dinner to break a fast. Plus, the additional spinach and mushrooms add plenty of important vitamins and minerals, and with the salty savory cheese and sun-dried tomatoes, all of these combine to create a delicious and nutritious Lenten meal. If you want to make this even healthier, you can use just the egg whites and substitute the ricotta for cottage cheese to make this into a higher protein, lower calorie version, while still retaining the same delicious cheesy egg flavor. And of course, you can adjust the ingredients in your frittata to your liking, such as adding in some bacon or other meat for when you're not fasting from them. But regardless of if you follow this recipe exactly or adjust the ingredients to your liking, this baked egg meal will be a great way to fill you up and keep you full while you fast for Lent. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. In the comments below, let me know how it went, if you decided to make it, and let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything you want me to make next. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to or follow this channel for more episodes of the Max AC channel. And remember, if you want to stay cool in the kitchen, turn your AC to the max and watch the Max AC channel. So, carefully transfer the skillet to the oven,